Welcome back, everybody, to another episode. Today we're going out pheasant hunting. First time bird hunting here. We got our dog Ranger with us. Hopefully you can see him. But yeah, let's see what we can get for you today. You want to walk this, or do you want to go? Okay. Okay, let's go find him. Come on, let's go find that bird. Stay close, stranger, stay close. There's all kinds of tracks right here. All kinds of tracks, yeah. Come on. I mean, do we just start walking along it? One on each side and just go? They're probably gonna jump pretty early. Don't know where that one went. Yeah, well, I saw for sure 2 roosters. The one ran. It's a nice one. Come on, Ranger, find that thing.
Good boy.
It's a nice one. He's nice. Good job, buddy. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode. We had a pretty good hunt. You know, it was pretty cool how those birds came out. I dropped the first one, and then dropped the second, and I got the second. But it's kind of the way it goes sometimes. That first one that I shot, it got up and ran away, and we couldn't find it. We looked hard. That's how it goes sometimes. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this episode. We'll catch you on the next one.